Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete rows in Excel. You can delete rows, one rows, two rows, or you can delete multiple rows. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to you can manage rows in the Excel. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with video. So here you can see that there is a many rows. I have a row. This is sample data. I'm going to show you how to delete rows in Excel. So if you want to, in order to remove rows in Excel. If I'm going to show you the remove one by one. So if I delete a single rows, just click on the number of the rows. In my case, this is a six. In my case, I have selected the sixth one and just click the right button of your mouse and click on delete. So the six will be delete, and you can see the below data has shifted the up. So in the data has been deleted and the below the rows come up. So you can see again, after I do undo, you can see this mark will become up and this will be delete. You can see, yeah, you can see. If you see, if you want to delete multiple rows, so just click first rows and hold your left button of your mouse and scroll down. If you want to delete 7, you can see the number here in you can see the number here, 6 rows. The Excel will show you. You don't need to worry about the how many you selected. Just check the, you can see the 6 are here. Okay, so selecting 8 rows here, and now right click and just delete. So 8 rows has been deleted. I just undo because I want to show again. Okay, so here if you want to delete the consecutive rows, if you want to delete the consecutive rows, like one after one, if you want to leave between the rows and delete the consecutive rows, how you can delete the or remove the rows in Excel. So here you have to select the first rows, and now you have to hold the control key of your keyboard. Just press and hold the control key, and now you have to select rows in your Excel. I have selected consecutively, rows here. Now just simple click right of any rows, selected rows, and click delete. So the all consecutively, the all you selected rows has been deleted now, and all data shifted above. Okay, so that is how you can delete rows in Excel. So that is how you can manage. If you want to learn how to manage rows in Excel, how to rename, how to insert the new rows in Excel, that is how you can delete the multiple rows in Excel and the single rows in Excel. So that is I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.